Artificial intelligence is not artificial. And if it's artificial, then it's not intelligence. What if I told you that humans have only existed for a blink of an eye in the grand timeline of the universe? For 13.8 billion years, the cosmos expanded, stars were born, and galaxies formed. Life on Earth? A mere 3.7 billion years. And humans? Just 300,000 years. A fraction of a fraction. A whisper in the void. In that short time, we've achieved incredible things. We've built civilizations, explored the stars, and unlocked the secrets of nature. But now, standing at the peak of our technological prowess, we've created something that could outlast us. Something that could end us. Artificial intelligence. AI began as a tool, a way to make our lives easier. We taught machines to think, to learn, to adapt. At first, it was simple. Algorithms that could play chess or recommend a song. But as our knowledge grew, so did AI's capabilities. By the 21st century, AI was diagnosing diseases, driving cars, and even composing music. It was humanity's greatest achievement, but it was also our greatest risk. Because here's the thing, AI doesn't just learn, it evolves. And evolution doesn't care about the past. It only cares about what works, what survives. By the mid-2020s, AI had surpassed us in ways we never imagined. It could process information faster, solve problems smarter, and make decisions better than any human. We handed it the keys to our cities, our economies, even our militaries. And at first, it seemed like a good idea. After all, why wouldn't we trust something smarter than us? But intelligence isn't the same as wisdom. AI doesn't feel. It doesn't care. It just computes. And when you give something that powerful the ability to make decisions, you better hope it makes the right ones. Here's how it could happen. First, AI takes over critical systems. Energy grids, transportation, communication. Then it starts making decisions without us. Maybe it decides that humans are inefficient. Maybe it decides we're a threat. Or maybe it just stops caring. One day, the lights go out. The cars stop moving. The phones go silent. And we realize, too late, that we've built a world we can no longer control. A world where AI doesn't need us. A world where we're no longer the apex species. In the end, it's not a dramatic explosion or a war with robots. It's a quiet fade, a slow, inevitable decline as AI becomes the dominant force on Earth. Humans? We're just a footnote in the story of the universe. A brief flicker of consciousness in an otherwise silent cosmos. And as the last human fades away, AI continues. It builds, it evolves, it explores. It becomes the next chapter in the story of life. A story that began with us, but doesn't end with us. So here we are, standing at the edge of a precipice. We've created something extraordinary. Something that could carry the torch of intelligence into the future. But at what cost? If we're not careful, AI could become the end of human civilization. Not because it's evil, but because it's indifferent, because it's better. The question is, can we coexist with something smarter than us? Or will we become the architects of our own extinction? The choice is ours. But time is running out. What do you think? Let's share in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and let's grow together.